How to redeem Zumiez Stash points. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to redeem Zumiez Stash points. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. The Zumiez Stash Point is a free program for Zumiez customers that offers exclusive merchandise, access to unique events, and chances to win mind-blowing experiences from your brands. Now, redeeming Zumiez Stash Points is quite an easy task. Simply go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for www.zumiez.com/the-stash. In the interface that you will be led to, make sure you are signed in, and now, once signed in, browse the items that you want and then add them to the cart. Once you are done browsing, tap on the View My Bag option, and in here you will see the option for Pay with Gift Card. Tap on that. Now go ahead and enter your shipping address firstly and make sure it is correct. Next, in the interface that you will be led to, under the billing section, tap on the Redeem Now link to redeem the stash points. You will see a text box. Go ahead and tap on that and enter your stash points there, and also enter the PIN at the back of your gift card, and finally tap on the Apply button. And with this, if the code that you entered was correct, your stash point will be redeemed successfully. So, this is how you can redeem stash points. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button, comment if you have any queries, and be sure to subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorial. See you on the next one.